Have you ever struggled with an app that looks perfect on your phone but becomes a disaster on others' phone? Well, today we're delving into the world of responsive design in Flutter, unlocking the secrets to creating apps that adapt flawlessly to any screen size. Picture this: you're on the go, trying to use an app, but the buttons are too small, and the text is unreadable. Frustrating, right? I've been there, and that's why today's video is all about responsive design in Flutter using MediaQuery. And guys, if you are watching this video and not subscribed to Widget Wisdom, then please do subscribe to us. Let's understand the basics of media queries in Flutter. Imagine them as the detectives that inquire about the device's characteristics. Let's say we want to get the width of the screen on which our app is going to displayed. So for that, here inside this build method, create a variable as screen width and assign its type as double, then here use MediaQuery.ofContext, and now we want the width of the screen, and width is the subpart of size, so here add size then width. So now this screen width variable holds the exact width of the screen on which our app is going to display. Now if you want to use current height of the screen, then similarly like width you can get the screen's height value. Let me show you how to do this. Just copy this screen width line, and here rename the variable as screen height, and then from here remove this width and here add height. So this screen height variable stores the value of screen's current height. Now let's use them to create a responsive design. Here I'm using a row widget, and inside this row widget, create a container which have height and width of 200. And give it color blue. Now copy this container and paste it 3 more times. And change the color for all the containers. Now let's run our application in Chrome browser, because there we can change the screen size at runtime. So from here select the Chrome, and then run the application. And wait for few seconds until app is not completely installed. Now you can see our app is working as expected without any issue. Now left click on anywhere on this page and come on this Chrome inspect mode, and from here change the device type to mobile from web, by simply clicking on this icon. And now you can see our app's UI is breaking, with a overflow exception. So now we want to fix this. So for fixing this issue, remove this 200 width from here, and make use of our newly created screen width parameter. So here we want that our container should take only 1/4 of the screen or 25% of the screen. So here for doing that multiply this screen width's value with 0.25. Because this screen width hold the value of screen's current width, and we want that this container can only take 0.25th part of the screen. Now copy this width value and paste it for all the containers. Now let's again run the whole application. And this time our app have covered all the available space on the web page. Now let's change it to mobile device, and as you can see our UI hasn't broken this time. So this was the magic of MediaQuery in Flutter. And guys, this was it for this video. If you have learned something new in this video, then please do like, share and subscribe to Widget Wisdom.